Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to put in your drum unit in a 3054 Ricoh. Remember there's a clip here. When you are removing it, we didn't show you, but we're going to show you how to put it in. So that's it. So this is just a waist toner, right?
Yeah, I think someone dropped the screw down here.
There's a screw. Drop down. Waist toner still fine?
It's full.
It's full. Empty it. Yes. Yeah, so we're gonna also you're gonna have also a chance to see the waist toner.
But yeah, I wanted to test it first.
Oh, we're gonna test it first. Okay, the waist toner is full, but then we're gonna test the drum. Then we're gonna empty that before. What happens when the waist toner is full? What will the machine say?
It will warn you.
So if you don't attend to that,
it will just say replace.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you saw how you put it. Can you take it out? You just put it in like this. Okay, so it has a clip here. You can see this clip. This clip goes up here.
But that's
After when you put on the screws. There are screws here. Did you take them out?
Yeah.
Okay. Down. Okay. Gonna be screwed down there. You can see. Okay. After that, then the clip goes here. Let me take it for you. Let me show you. Okay, you put it like this. It's here. So even taking it out is easier. So you unplug this guy, of which we're going to plug. Okay, can I see one? Okay, this is the plug. You unplug. This is the connection to the machine. So once you unplug it, you take out this screw. You take out this, then you remove your stuff. But anyway, before this door should be opened, right? Before you put it in or you put it out, it should be open. So after that, we close it. Also, we close here. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect the machine. Okay. Been working on top of this stuff. Okay, that's fine. So we're gonna need a cloth to clean here. Okay. Okay. 4054, it could be the same with the 4054. This is a 3054. Most of the machines, big machines like this, you could use the same thing. Okay, so good, we're done. We just need to switch it on. I think switch it on here. Okay, switch on the machine. So we're gonna test. Put here the okay. Yeah. So we're gonna do dev initialization. Okay. SP mode. Okay. What we did here, we are changing the cleaning blade and also the dev, also the drum itself. So now we're gonna try to initialize what the dev, right? Okay. Okay, we're printed the counter. This will go out, right? Okay, no, it's working 100%. There's no problem. This
think this is on the pickup.
What? On the pickup? So will it go out?
No, we need to clean the pickup rollers.
The pickup rollers, okay.
Yeah.
What went wrong with it?
Yeah, it's not picking.
Oh. So we have issues with the pickup rollers, so we're gonna clean them then, yeah. But you've seen how to put in the drum, so maybe you can hang around a bit to see how to clean them. Then wow, look at this, so dirty.
And then do this once.
We're gonna put. Oh, we're gonna empty the.
Yeah.
We're gonna empty the waste toner.
See, that's the one that's.
It's the one which spills. Oh, because it's the one. Then it's causing some issues. It's full. So you had a plastic. You had a plastic here.
This will be enough.
It won't be enough. So let's try. No, you have this. You have this. You can put that. Okay. So it's the one which was causing trouble, guys. So. It has that. You slide it, then you. Remember the question I asked, that what will happen if waste toner is full? So it's gonna spill into the machine, then it will cause other issues. So that's why we need to empty it.
This has ever been empty.
Hmm?
I don't think this has ever been.
What?
I don't think this has ever been taken out before.
No, it's never been taken out before. It's way too much. Is it empty? Empty. Okay. Guys, that's it. We're fine. We're gonna put it back. And then we need to clean here. Gonna need to clean here, right?
Yeah.
Gonna need to clean here. Also on the pickup rollers, things like that. So yeah, it's gonna be something which. So will you need access? Will you need to clean from this side? The pickup rollers? Because I can see them here. They're close to that. Guys, you can hang around. Maybe you can see 1, 2 new things you didn't know. But now, there are some pickup rollers there. I don't know if you can see them.
Oh yeah. I'll take them from under the tray.
Okay. Want another cloth?
I just screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Okay.
Yeah, and
You lost the screw.
Yeah.
You lost the screw. It's here.
No, that's not the one.
Okay. Lost one screw. Okay. Then It has only one screw. Okay. We're done with that. So the pickup rollers are this side. Okay, it is taking them out. Okay, we took them out. There's a clip. Okay, can you see where you are?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all? No more.
Straight to the sock.
Smoke.
Also finished also.
There's this one. They're finished. Wow. So, but the one for the big tray, are they fine? The first one.
Not exactly. These are all finished. They're gone.
All gone. How much can these cost?
I think it's like 200 each set.
Each set?
Yeah.
How many sets we need?
2. It's for one tray. One tray is one set.
Do you want me to rush go by?
Tell me, Chef, if you can.
What about Mafia?
I don't know. Yes.
No, let's use these ones. But will they work?
I need another cloth. This one.
You need what?
I need another cloth.
Okay. Guys, that's it. So we're gonna clean this, and you've seen what we've done. I don't think it's necessary for us to proceed with what we're gonna do. So these are finished, so we're gonna get our other ones here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.